Do you think Tesla stock will be able to recover from the dip anytime soon? Tesla stock is currently trading at around $180, and chances are it will remain to be below $200 as the year comes to an end. Still, Tesla CEO Elon Musk is confident that the EV company's stock will soar soon. Keep watching so you don't miss this info. It is a known fact that billionaire businessman Elon Musk has recently been spending most of his time and energy on his latest Twitter venture. This caused Tesla investors to express their concerns about Musk losing focus on Tesla. Musk can be recalled saying that he sees a potential for Tesla to be worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco combined during the Q3 earnings call. However, analysts have their doubts given Musk's latest movements. For a while now, Tesla investors have been wondering whether Musk will be able to focus on the company amidst the Twitter debacle. Musk's role in the EV company is pivotal as he is considered to be Tesla's architect. Musk's involvement is enough to reassure those who have invested in the company because they believe in his vision and his promises to revolutionize the automotive industry. Musk promised that soon Tesla cars will be able to drive themselves. The latest versions of Tesla Full Self-Driving, or FSD, the company's advanced driver assistance system, allows the car to perform many maneuvers on its own. Although we are still far from autonomous driving, even if Musk promises a fleet of autonomous Tesla vehicles in 2024. Musk also takes pride in the Tesla Cybertruck, which is expected to arrive in mid-2023. With this, Musk will have challenged all the facets of the pickup truck. This futuristic vehicle is one of the most anticipated cars of the last decades. If you think you're interested in developing some of the most advanced technology in the world that's going to really affect the world in a positive way, Tesla is the place to be, Musk said during Tesla's second AI Day in late September. To achieve this, however, Musk must be present at the helm of Tesla, overseeing everything. Without him at the lead, many investors doubt that Tesla can do it. That said, Tesla's stock has plummeted in recent months after Musk focused on social network Twitter, which he acquired for a whopping $44 billion after a 6-month back-breaking battle that put Tesla in the background. Tesla's stock is down almost 51% in 2022. But the real decline came after Twitter's takeover bid on April 25th. From January 1st to April 22nd, the last trading session before Musk's offer was announced, Tesla's stock lost only 5% of its value. But since then, it's been a real ordeal. Tesla stock is down 48.2% since, which represents a drop in market value of around $510 billion. In line with that, Tesla investors and enthusiasts have been beseeching Musk to stop wasting time on Twitter, as most are growing increasingly frustrated with the billionaire CEO's distractions. Many are appealing to Musk that while he is distracted with Twitter, Tesla's troubles are piling up as top executives leave China to help ramp up the Texas plant, as well as possible margin loans for the CEO adds more risk to slumping stock. Elon Musk's bankers are considering Tesla stock-backed margin loans to support Twitter, which is under heavy interest expenses. Stock-backed margin loans are a popular way for billionaires whose money is tied up in stocks to get some cash. While a company may be worth $100 billion on paper, if all that money is tied up in stock, like Tesla, it doesn't mean that there is any cash to spend. When that happens and the company is in need of cash, banks can offer loans backed by their stocks. If the stocks go down to a predetermined level, they have to sell to cover the loan. Elon Musk has used this financing vehicle several times with several $100 million loans backed by Tesla stock over the years. To finance his $44 billion acquisition of Twitter, Tesla-backed loans were reportedly considered, but Musk ended up selling billions of dollars worth of Tesla stock instead. The rest was covered by investment partners and $13 billion in debt, which is reportedly resulting in $1.2 billion in annual interest costs. However, this is putting a lot of pressure on the company's financials, and now Bloomberg reports that Musk's bankers are considering Tesla-backed margin loans again. According to Bloomberg, a privately held financial, software, data, and media company, Musk's bankers are considering providing the billionaire with new margin loans backed by Tesla Inc. stock to replace some of the high-interest debt he layered on Twitter Inc. However, the plan is not yet finalized and the loan amount remains unknown, but the discussions have reportedly focused on replacing a $3 billion loan at 11% interest. According to another Bloomberg report, Elon Musk's controversial tweets about politics and memes have prompted some Tesla investors to sell their shares. Investors saw their investments melt day by day, which prompted many retail investors to beg Musk to take an interest again in Tesla, which he ignored for many months. Much to investors' delight, Musk, for the first time in months, posted several messages on December 8th about Tesla. Team has done incredibly well despite extremely difficult times. Could not be more proud of them. Musk posted on Twitter on December 8th as analysts and fans question the demand for Tesla vehicles in China, a crucial market. In another tweet, Musk provided an explanation for the fall in Tesla stock. Macro conditions are difficult. The billionaire businessman posted as an explanation for Tesla's stock decline. Energy in Europe, real estate in China, and crazy Fed rates in USA. A little later, he tweeted that he was staying on the board of Tesla and SpaceX, his space shuttle company, but had good teams in place at each of the companies. Basically, Musk is delegating and not micromanaging as a way to respond directly to critics who feel he has abandoned Tesla in favor of his new Twitter venture. I continue to oversee both Tesla and SpaceX, but the teams there are so good that often little is needed from me, Musk tweeted. Although Musk tweeted more about Twitter that day than the couple of messages he posted about Tesla, for investors that's already a big change from the past few months, as Musk had limited his tweets about Tesla in recent months. His tweets then were extremely minimal, with just occasional messages confirming the release date of the latest version of FSD or confirming the date of an event such as AI Day. There are also 1 or 2 response messages to investors asking about the share buyback program. Other than that, Musk was no longer doing what he had in the past, publicizing Tesla's achievements instead of notifying about things to come, which definitely caused a stir among Tesla shareholders. Still, Tesla has a lot of plans in place that will allow Tesla to thrive amidst challenges in the stock market. Tesla has significantly ramped up production in all of its factories, including the new plant in Berlin and the Gigafactory in Texas. Because of this, the company's revenue has significantly risen as well. In August, Musk said Tesla could build 10 or 12 new Gigafactories to reach his goal of making 20 million cars a year by 2030. The billionaire businessman hinted at plans to expand Tesla's network of Gigafactories as the company aims to meet his ambition to build as many as 20 million electric cars a year. He said that Tesla might be able to announce the location of a new factory later this year. Addressing stockholders at the firm's annual meeting, billed as Cyber Roundup 2022, Musk said that Tesla was on track to achieve a production run rate of 2 million vehicles by the end of this year. Ultimately, we will end up building, probably at least 10 or 12 Gigafactories, Musk said at the meeting. They will really be Gigafactories, aiming for output of between 1.5 to 2 million units per factory, Musk said. According to Musk, manufacturing will be Tesla's long-term sustainable advantage over its rivals in the race to dominate the still nascent electric vehicle market. Tesla stock indeed has a pricey valuation, which has never made sense, but Tesla fans have always believed in Elon Musk's vision. Over the last 5 years, shares of the company have skyrocketed more than 2,300%. But the stellar run hit a pause this year, as is the case with many exciting and high-flying growth stocks. Logistical issues surfaced which proved to be a huge roadblock to Tesla's success. Still, Tesla has a strong growth profile, with revenue and earnings projected to soar by double-digit percentages in its current year and next. That said, experts believe that Tesla is a solid long-term investment option at current price levels based on its market leadership, progressively broadening global operations, and new product developments that promise to take it to dizzy heights in the coming years. Investors should look at the metrics that tell the long-term story of Tesla's growth path. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to enjoy more Tesla stock content.